Well, we're doing a little second day of fall camp night. Me and Magic and Church over there all snoozing, all warm and cozy. Those are girls enjoying the fire, all warm and cozy. Neighbors, I don't know if you can see, but we got a pretty nice fire going. And so that's what we're doing. I hope y'all are getting out and enjoying the nice weather. It's going to be 62 degrees tonight. It's perfect camping weather. So hope y'all are getting out too and enjoying yourself. Enjoy your weekend. Please like and subscribe. It really helped me out. And have a good night, guys. Thanks. Bye.